Diamonds are among the most valuable and fascinating natural stones in the world. However, identifying a real rough diamond from a fake one can be tricky, especially if you don't have access to professional tools. Luckily, there are several simple ways to test a rough diamond at home using basic items. 1. The scratch test. A real diamond is one of the hardest materials on Earth. It can scratch almost any surface, including glass. How to do it? Find a clean piece of glass. Gently scratch the glass with your stone. If it leaves a scratch mark on the glass, it could be a real diamond. But be careful. Other hard stones like quartz can also scratch glass, so this test alone is not conclusive. 2. The water drop test. Diamonds have a high density. This means they will sink quickly in water. How to do it? Fill a glass with water. Drop the rough stone inside. If the stone sinks instantly, it's likely a real diamond. Fake stones often float or sink slowly. 3. The fog test. This test checks how the stone reacts to moisture and heat. How to do it? Hold the stone close to your mouth and breathe on it, as if fogging a mirror. A real diamond will clear up almost instantly because it disperses heat quickly. A fake one will stay fogged for a few seconds. 4. The transparency newspaper test. Diamonds refract light strongly, making it hard to see through them. How to do it? Place the stone over a line of text in a newspaper or book. If you can clearly see the letters through the stone, it's probably not a diamond. A real diamond will scatter the light, making the text blurry or invisible. 5. The heat resistance test. Diamonds can withstand high temperatures without damage. How to do it? Heat the stone with a lighter for about 30 to 40 seconds. Immediately drop it into cold water. If it shatters, it's fake, most likely quartz or glass. A real diamond will remain undamaged because it resists extreme temperature changes. 6. UV light test, optional. If you have access to a UV lamp, this test can help. How to do it? Place the diamond under ultraviolet light. Many real diamonds glow blue under UV light. However, not all diamonds do, so if yours doesn't glow, it can still be real. Final thoughts. Testing a rough diamond at home gives you a good first idea, but it's not always 100% reliable. The best way to confirm is to have it examined by a professional gemologist or a diamond testing lab. Still, with these simple home tests, scratch, water, fog and light, you can get a strong indication of whether your rough diamond might be genuine or fake.